Hello, Mr. Gamino. I have your really easy on the eyes, beautiful watch. Gorgeous yacht timer. You know, what really makes these is having these big top buttons like this. It really gives the watch some presence. They're actually a little burly in person. I haven't held one of these in many years. Many years. I've serviced that I can think of one before, and it was before our youngest was born. It was a long time ago. Really beautiful frosted finish, that really nice media blasted finish that Seiko does. I just love it. Somebody wore this a lot. You can see it's sort of been polished down to a little brightness on these lugs. Yeah. That's really nice level of wear, and it's not even beaten up at all. And the tops of the buttons, a few marks. Crown has a dink in it, but that's the most of it. That button looks good. Oops, sorry. Your loom is exactly the way it should be. Yeah, maybe it's a little grayed out. I'll see if I can clean that loom. I bet maybe we could get that a step brighter. Okay, we've got no activity. Oh, there we go. I'm going to let that chronograph run here for a second. I took the liberty of pre-loosening up the case back. It's had a little moisture in there. You can see here, there's some, that's a little bit of corrosion pitting right there, some impacted material. So I'm gonna have to go in and clean that out and see what kind of pitting we're talking about. But all that, I've got to get all that out of there. I'll manually remove the overburden and then chemically neutralize the corrosion that's in there. Yeah. I don't see any place where the pitting goes all the way through the face. There are some that are close. So I would say, obviously I'm going to put a new gasket in it and grease the heck out of it. I would be careful about getting this one near water, just as an FYI. I mean, I'm sure it'll be fine, but I mean, I'm seeing there's just lots of little shallow surface pitting, but let me clean it up and we'll see what we've got. That right there looks to be the worst one. It looks like it almost reaches the sealing surface. Again, I'll put in a slightly oomphier gasket and I will set that one down. It's just, you're going to need to be careful with it. No marks on side the case back. Ooh, okay. We're going to have somebody use this watch. Wait, was this you that used this watch? I should have reread. You should have reread your note. So yeah, we've got more pitting inside the case back here. Obviously, all the way around, you see that. So I'm not sure how deep that is. Some of that stuff I'm seeing is It looks like the case back has already been sort of roughly cleaned once. Yeah, so I'm going to have to go through and get this stuff out by hand, anything that's loose, and then run it through chemical treatments to try to stop it. Yeah, you can see all these little silver shiny picks in there. Those are previous corrosion spots that were cleaned out. These dark ones are new, or well, after that was done. So this one got a lot of honest wear to it. I'll do everything I can. We'll get it as clean as I can, and everything's good. Let me go that. And you've got a couple tool marks on your case back, I see. All right. Let's see how the hands are doing. Okay. That, I'm not exactly, it feels, the way it's doing, it's like the connections maybe a little dirty. Hey, all your registers are clicking along. Hacks correctly. Okay, service, and well, I'm not sure. Let's talk about what it is you're looking to have done, and we will go from there. I haven't looked at the time graph or numbers on this because it would just tell us accuracy. It doesn't speak to the health of the movement like on a mechanical. Okay, thank you so very much.